A bit rocky, these trains, aren't they? Oh, look at the blood on the walls.
Yeah, I don't think it's real. You might want that one. It's gone better than the Darren Brown.
It's supposed to be quite good.
What is it?
Oh, it'd be cool, wouldn't it? We could be in charge of the train. No, because I think he drives the train.
No way.
Yeah.
Are we all ready, guys?
Yeah.
Anyone scared of the dark?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, what?
I told you he drives the train. That's why we can't sit in the front seat.
Please stay in mind.
Smell. I don't know why he's got out of the train. Yeah, but it's better. Oh shit! Oh dear.
Decontamination in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
You enjoyed that?